guys, today I'm opening up a Akedo Power Storm toy, and this is like a really cool toy now. There's Akedo. So thanks mommy for the scissors.
Huh? You don't need the scissors.
I don't need the scissors anymore. Who did I got? Oh, whoa! Who is this? What's this? Whoa, what's this? Oh, wow! There's so many things to collect. Whoa! It's the people that I'm supposed to collect, but right now I just have one. And I don't know who's this. And here's I feel like this is I feel like this is Shreddy Bear, but I don't think this is Shreddy Bear. What's this? Clawsome. His name is Clawsome. Shreddy? Clawsome Shreddy. How could I put this on? Whoa! Now let me see a split strike. Let me see the split strike, and I can't, and I don't have another, so I'm just gonna use these other. I'm just gonna use this other character because I want to see the split strike. I can't do the split strike. I can't do the split strike, guys. Oh, this is the split strike. Okay, guys, that's the end of our video of Akedo. So bye bye. Blow it up.